Meaning of layer.
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 Layer. In the context of computer science and artificial intelligence, the term layer generally refers to a level or stage in a neural network. A neural network is composed of multiple layers of interconnected nodes that work together to perform complex computations and make predictions based on input data. Each layer typically has a specific function or role in the network, such as processing input data, extracting key features, or making predictions. The output of one layer serves as the input for the next layer, allowing the network to build increasingly complex representations of the input data. In general, the deeper a neural network is, the more complex it can be, as each layer can learn increasingly sophisticated representations of the input data. However, more layers also means more parameters to train and potentially increased risk of overfitting, so the optimal depth of a neural network depends on the specific problem and amount of available data.